Hello my dear students, myself Harpreet and open your books Little Champs level 5th. So open your page number 44, that is multiple choice questions, we can say MCQ. And on page number 45 fill in the blanks are there, 46 and 47. In this video we will do the page number 44 to 47. So let's begin with multiple choice questions. So first one is plus 80, plus 80. So we have to write the formula of plus 80. That plus 80 we know that is the big friend formula. So what is the best friend of plus 80? That is 20. And we know that big friends always start with the minus sign. Firstly we have to subtract the best friend, then add the common friend. So common friend for 80 is 100 and best friend for 80 is 20. So minus 20 plus 100. The formula is minus 20 plus 100. You have to tick on the fourth option D1. You have to write in bracket D. Four options are given. One is the correct one. You have to select that and write on here. So second one is the value of upper bead in tens place is. See, these are the upper beads. Suppose this is a unit place and this one is a tens place. So what is the value of upper bead tens place? So that is 50. So the answer of second fill-up is 50. So third one is addition of upper beads is done by using dash finger. Addition of upper beads is done by using dash finger. We are adding these beads with the index finger. So what is the answer? Index finger. So fourth one is 75 into 4. Fourth question is 75 into 4 is equal to. Multiplication we already done in the previous video. So multiplication consists of three parts: multiplicand, multiplier and product. So multiplicand is 75, multiplier is 4 and product will come there. But for that we have to think that our product will come in how many digits. So 75 is containing 2 digits, so our product will come in the 3 digit because 1 digit more than the multiplicand. So place the finger on the third. Now 7 into 4 is 28. 28. Now 28 is here. 28. Okay, now next is 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. So place your finger on here. We have to add 20. So only one bead is here. What we will do? Here we will apply the formula. Plus 2. What is the formula of plus 2? That is minus 8 plus 10. So here we have to remove 8 and add 10. So remove 8 and add 10. But place your finger on the second rod because we were doing the calculation on second rod. So next 22 is added, then 0. No need of adding any bead. Now count how many beads are added. 300. So what is the answer here? 300. So tick on the second B option. Now fifth one is minus 3 plus 10 is the formula used for. Minus 3 plus 10. You can understand from here that minus in front of minus we are keeping when we are using big friend formulas. So what is the formula we are using here? Plus 7 because 3 is the best friend of 7 and 10 is the common friend of 7. So tick on A option. So sixth one is 9 plus 8 plus 2. 9 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 19. Which formula we are using here? Which formula? So abacus scale is here, we can perform here. So firstly 9. 9 is a butterfly number. 9. 9 is added. Now we have to add 8. But beads are not here. What we will do? Here we will apply the formula. Formula of addition 8 is equal to minus 2 plus 10. So 2 beads we have to remove here and 10 we have to add. Then add 2. Then add 2. Now what is the answer? 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Which formula we used here? Minus 2 plus 10. So tick on the D option. Now 7th one is the line which separates the upper bead and lower bead is called. Which separates the upper bead and lower bead is called this line. What is called this line? Answer line. This line is called answer line. Tick on the D option. Abacus is a human. 8th one is abacus is a human, computer, robot, calculator or laptop. Abacus is a human, calculator. Tick on the C option. The value of upper bead in one's place is the value of upper bead in one's place. What is the value? 5. Tick on the A option. Number of heaven beads on each rod. Heaven beads are known as upper beads. So number of heaven beads on each rod. Each rod, how many heaven beads are here? Only one is here. So tick on the D option. These all are the multiple choice question on page number 44. Now next on page number 45, fill in the blanks are here. So we will do that. So first fill in the blank is first one is the person who uses abacus is called the person who uses abacus is known as a bassist. So write a bassist. What the person is called? A bassist. Second one is in abacus we perform dash calculations. In abacus we perform Japanese calculation. So second one is Japanes, Japanese calculations. So third one is in finger gym subtractions are always done from dash finger. Finger gym, if we want to subtract any number, so we will start from our little finger. So here is little finger. So fourth one is in finger gym additions are always done from dash finger. If we want to add any number, then we will use our index finger. So fourth one is index finger. So fifth one is by using 5 fingers of right hand we can count the numbers up to. By using 5 fingers of right hand. This is my right hand and we have 5 fingers are here. We using that fingers we can count the numbers up to. These all fingers are having one number 1 1 1 1 and this is having 5. So 5 6 7 8 9 we can count up to 9. So next one is the small friend formula for minus 10. What is the small friend formula for minus 10? For minus 10 it is minus 100 plus 90. What is the formula? Minus 100 plus 90. So next one is the total number of small friend formulas are. I told you in the video that how many small friend formulas are here. 4 containing plus sign and 4 containing negative sign. So total how many are here? 8. So next one is the value of upper bead in 100 places. Value of upper bead in 100 place. What is the value? That is 500. Next one is there are total dash number of addition formulas for big friends. There are dash number of addition formulas, only addition. Total how many formulas are here for the big friends? Total I told you in the video that 18 formulas are here for the big friend. 9 containing plus sign and 9 containing negative sign. Here they are asking that how many formulas containing plus sign? That are 9. So next one is the common friend for all the big friends is. Who is the common friend for all the big friends? Here we are writing how many big friend numbers are here? Up to 9 and 10 is known as the common friend for all the big friends. So your answer is 10. Now 11th one is plus 40. Write the big friend formula for plus 40. Plus 40, big friends formulas always start with a negative sign. Who is the best friend of 40? That is 60. Then plus common friend for 40 is 100. So formula, big friend formula plus 40 is minus 60 plus 100. So plus 90. Big friend formula of plus 90. Big friend formulas always start with negative sign. Minus best friend of 90 is 10 plus common friend is 100. So what is the formula? Minus 10 plus 100. So 10 is the common friend for all big friends. 10 is a common friend for all big friends. Now plus 2 is equal to, write the small friend formula for plus 2. Firstly I am going to rub the board. Write side by side. So next is 14, fill in the blank is small friend formula of plus 2. Small friend formulas always start with the plus sign. So add your common friend. Common friend for small friend is 5 minus the best friend. So within that, big friend formula of plus 2. That is minus the common friend, add best friend. Best friend in big friend is 10 and common friend is 8. Now 15 is, write formulas for plus 4 big friend. Big friend formula plus 4 is, big friend formulas always start with negative sign, minus best friend plus common friend. Then small friend formula of plus 4 is, add common friend, subtract the best friend. Now 16, fill in the blank is, multiplications are repeated. Multiplications are known as repeated additions. Multiplications are known as repeated additions. The left hand indicates dash place. Left hand indicates dash place. Tens place. Now the value of two thumbs together is, two thumbs together value is, left hand thumb value is 50, right hand thumb is 5, so together is 55. Now 10, 20, 30 up to 90 can be counted by using dash hand. 10, 20, 30 up to 90 we can count by using left hand, because left hand each finger value is 10. Now two finger 20, 30, 40 and thumb is 50. So all together is 90. So here is left hand. Next is, we can count up to dash numbers by finger gym method. We can count up to dash numbers by finger gym method. Here left hand full hand value is 90 and right hand full hand value is 9. So together it is 99. So we can count up to 99. So write side by side on your book. So now 21 is, the value of left hand thumb and index finger together is, left hand thumb and index finger together value is, thumb value is 50, index finger value is 10. 50 plus 10 is 60. So write 60. Next 22 is, the value of each beat on the lower side of abacus scale in tens place is, the value of each beat on the lower side of tens place. What is the value? 10. The value of upper bead and lower beads in tens place together is, the value of upper bead and lower bead together in tens place 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So write 90. Next one is, there are dash number of beads on each rod on the lower side of abacus. How many beads on each rod on the lower side? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 4. So next one is, the 4 basic operations in maths are, the 4 basic operation we are known as arithmetic operations. Which operations are there? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now 26th one is, the standard abacus scale has dash number of rods. This is the standard abacus scale. How many number of rods it is having? Count the rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many rods are here? 13. Now next one is, the value of all the fingers and thumb together on the left hand is, the value of all the fingers and thumb together on the left hand. Fingers and thumb. How much value is there? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, 90. That is 90. 28th is, we always clear the unit bar on abacus scale from dash to dash. We are clearing abacus scale from which side to which? We are clearing from right to left. So right here, right to left. So firstly I am going to rub it. So next one is 29th. Abacus scale is in dash shape. This is the abacus scale. What is the shape of this scale is? Rectangle. Why it is called rectangle shape? Because the opposite sides are equal. Next one is, the value of closed fist. Closed fist is called band muthi. What is the value of this? 0. What is the value of closed fist is? 0. Always place the abacus scale on a dash surface. Always hold the abacus scale on flat surface. Now next is, the value of clear abacus. When no bead is touching with the answer line, what we are saying? What is the value of that cleared abacus is? 0. Now 33 is, dash are called butterfly numbers. Which numbers are called butterfly numbers? I already told you that 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 4 numbers are known as butterfly numbers. So 34th, fill in the blank is, dash are called butterfly fingers. Which fingers we are using for adding butterfly numbers? We are using with the index finger and thumb. Thumb and index finger. These 2 fingers are known as butterfly fingers. So next one is, the value of right hand thumb is, value of right hand thumb is 5. What is the value? 5. So the white dot on the student abacus scale represent dash place. Now here you are saying that black dots are here, but in your abacus scale there are white dots. So that white dots represent unit place. What that are representing? Unit place. So next one is, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are called dash numbers. These numbers are known as butterfly numbers. So next one is, we use our dash finger to add lower beads. Which finger we are using for adding lower bead? Always use your thumb. That is 38. Next one is, there are dash number of beads on each rod on the upper side of the abacus scale. How many beads on the upper side of each rod? How many beads? Only 1 bead. So 39, write there 1. So last 140 is, we use our dash finger for subtraction of lower beads. Which finger we are using for subtraction of lower bead? If beads are adding, then which finger we are using for subtraction? This finger. This finger is known as index finger. So we are using our index finger for subtraction of lower beads. This is all about your book. With that concept, your book is completed. So solve this entire sums on your book and get ready for the exam also. Thank you.